Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the wind tunnel filter on TikTok. Really simple and easy to get. If you're unaware what that looks like, it just looks like this right here, where basically it looks like you're standing in a wind tunnel, pushes all your skin back. So all you have to do to get this filter is just head over to your TikTok application and over to the Discover tab. Once you're on the Discover tab, you want to go up to the top search bar and search for wind tunnel filter. And search for that. Then you just want to click on videos, and all you want to do is just find someone that is using the filter. So just right here. Once you find someone, over the username, you just see the little yellow link saying wind tunnel. You want to click on that and just click on add to favorites. And now this will be in your favorites whenever you go make a new video. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this tutorial. If it was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.